In a shabby chic cottage, flat is the enemy. To create depth, you need to layer textures like a pro. Think about placing a chunky knit throw over a slip-covered linen sofa, or a burlap runner atop a sanded-down wooden sideboard. The goal is to create tactile interest that invites people to touch and feel the space. By mixing rough and soft, you create that signature, aged look that defines the farmhouse aesthetic without it feeling cold.